Baldix 3 is such an interesting device. What this does is help energize the water, is to help restructure the water. The water is such an interesting compound. It is not just the H2O that we know about water, but the kind of water we take is such that if the structures clumps together, it will not be beneficial to the body. But what this does is to help break the large molecular structure of water into smaller particles. And once we take it, our body becomes hydrated, the water becomes beneficial to our body. So we place the water on this Baldix for 15 minutes and we take the water, and what it does, the water begins to penetrate inside our cells, inside our tissues, and the body becomes hydrated. And that's one of the major benefits of this Mexican Baldix 3. May also interest you to know that when you place this disc right inside the refrigerator, not the freezer, please. What it does, maybe for a temperature between 4 to 8 degrees, when the vegetable compartment is within the fridge, it helps to restructure the water content of the vegetable and makes it enhance the shelf life. It prolongs it from any damage and makes it better off. If we have fruits within the fridge also, it also helps the fruit because this also contains some water and the food becomes tastier, it becomes sweeter, and it becomes better for our body. It's interesting to know that this is a wellness product. It only helps us to energize the water fountain that we place on this disc, and therefore it is not a pharmaceutical product. It will not cure any form of health disease. It will only help in energizing our water, and by so doing, it allows the water content to help and beneficial to our health. So it does not cure diabetes, it does not cure headache, it does not cure hypertension, it does not also cure any form of arthritis or any form of issues that relate to our health, any known disease. It is not a pharma product. It is not also a product that helps us to, not the same drug that we take that we normally use and say when we take this drug, it will cure us from headache, it will cure us from this, it will cure us from arthritis, it will cure, back pain and leg pain and all of that. This disc will not do that. But what it does is to help us and protect our water and becomes more energized. And this water, when we take it, it hydrates our cells. Our body begin to perform very well to optimal level. That's what it does. So this and many more that this disc will do for us when we have them, and I do recommend it for every one of us, including my African brothers and sisters, for us to use.